Okay guys, real quick here, something that's probably a few people are going to be interested in. I get questions every now and again about amps with high and low on them. This is actually a 2-pill 454. Limited amount of these available right now. It is a fat boy, but it's made in the compact case, and it is just a 2-pill 454. High and low switch here, on and off switch right here. Recommended drive on this, I think a pretty hot Cobra 29 or a Uniden, something like that. Something like the new Uniden 78s I've been posting videos of. They'll take those no problem. Anywhere between 35 and 45 watts PEP and 10 to 12 watts average. The average being the key, because that's what's going to generate more heat, the average power, and make it draw more current. Doesn't have a fan on it, but the 454s are pretty forgiving when it comes to heat. They don't need quite as much cooling as the 2879 transistors. Obviously they're not dissipating as much power out of them as well. So that being said, we'll demonstrate it here. It's turned on right now. It's very quiet, doesn't have a really loud relay or anything like that. We'll show you what it draws on high and low, and then we'll show you the output power of it. Testing it on 14.6, yeah, that reads a little high. About 9.5 to 10 watts average going in. That's probably about a 2-watt dead key, maybe less. And about 35 to 40 watts PEP out of the test unit in here. So, that being said, let's key it up and give it audio. So 15.5 amps on high. This is low. Almost 14 on low. So not a huge difference between high and low there. We'll flip it back to high for the output test, and then we'll go to low. So this is high, 1,000 watt slug, our most used slug that we have. Bottom scale. Let me put a little more dead key in it. There we go. Hello. So actually showing some pretty good average power there. Around 120 watts average. This is on high. And then PEP. Audio, just shy of 300. Audio, check, audio. It's actually getting real close to 300. Audio, check, audio. Let's just flip it on low. We'll leave it on peak for low. Audio, check, audio, check, audio, check, audio. So it drops down to about 200 on low, and I'm gonna guess about 80 watts average. About 85, 90. Audio. So your range on it, high around 300 watts PEP, low around 200. 120 watts average on high, and then 85, 90 watts average on low. I've got a few of these. They're all going to do similar power. I wouldn't sit here and swear that they're all going to do the exact same amount of power, but I just grabbed a random one out of the pile. I think I've got 4 or 5 of them. I just grabbed a random one and figured I'd do a video on it, let you guys know I've got some of these. They will be cheaper than the usual 2-pill is that comes with a fan and everything. They will be significantly cheaper. So if this is something you like, I have a feeling they're going to be fairly popular. So shoot me a text, 423-299-3535, and we'll see if we can get you set up with one of these. I like them myself. Pretty handy little thing. I probably should keep one to use on the bench. Being able to go from 300 to 200 watts with a flip of a switch. Pretty handy for testing stuff out. But anyway, guys, have a good one. Check out everything that's not amplifiers on roostercb.com. Questions on amps, shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. Catch you guys out there. Rooster in Tennessee. See you, bye.